Hi, in this lecture I'll show you how to calculate future value annuity factor and future value annuity amount. The assumption that we make in this lecture is that interest compounded annually. That means you make a series of investments for a fixed time period and interest is credited to your account at the end of each year. Now I'll show you how to calculate that. Here is a scenario given to you. You plan to buy a flat 5 years from now and you save rupees 48,000 per year. Then you deposit in a bank which pays you interest of 8% and your deposit is for 5 years. Now here the things that you need to look at is, one is whether you are making an investment or you are receiving a revenue. So this is an investment. So that means you need to calculate the future value annuity. Second is whether this is an annuity or not. Look at the time period. It is a fixed. It is a 5 years and your saving is similar amount or same amount. That is every year you are making 48,000. And another is when is that this deposit is made, in the beginning or end. It says that the deposit at the end. That means this is an ordinary because a deposit is made at the end of the period. Now in this case, how is that we are going to calculate the future value annuity is PMT, that is a payment that you make, this times 1 plus I to the power of n upon I minus 1 by I, and this part we call as future value annuity factor. So always it is advisable to calculate the annuity factor, then multiply this with the PMT. In our case, the I rate of return is 8% interest, that is so 0.08. Then n is 5 years. Now based on this we'll calculate. So first we calculate 1 plus I to the power of n. So this equals to 1.08 to the power of 5 and your value will be 1.08 raised to the power of 5. So 1.4613. Then in second step, 1 plus I to the power of n upon I. So this is 1.4693 upon 0.08. 1.4693 upon 0.08. So this gives you 18. Then in third, 1 by I. So this equals to 1 by 0.08. So 1 by 0.08. Then fourth step, you calculate 18.3662 minus 12.5. 18.3662 minus 12.5. So your future value annuity factor is 5.8662. Then your future value amount is the payment times future value annuity factor. So how much payment we are making here is 48,000 and this into 5.8662. So this is 48,000 into 5.8662. So the amount that you receive after 5 years or that you save is 2,81,578. So if you are making a 48,000 investment for 5 years compounded annually, then at the end of the 5th year you will have 2,81,578 as your savings. This is how you need to calculate the future value annuity factor and future value annuity amount. Thank you.